Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to rotate a point 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin in 3 different ways. The center of this rotation is the origin 0, 0, right here. Now first way, we are going to use a protractor. Step 1, connect point A and the center of the rotation. Step 2, make a 90-degree angle along OA. This is the origin O. Now put the vertex of your protractor, or we call this center point over here, on the origin. Place the center on the origin. And then you need to line up OA, my blue line segment OA. Line up OA with the 0-degree mark of the protractor. So you see there's a black line over here. You have to make sure OA is lining up with this black line. And make sure you do not move the center point of your protractor. So now my center point is on the origin, and also my blue line is exactly on top of this black line. Now you extend the line, you will see this is 0. We are going to use the degree on the inner side, so from 0 to 10, 20, 30, all the way up to 90. So I will have to mark a point over here. I'm sorry, I extended everything into the other graph. So mark the point here. Now remove your protractor. Now we can actually connect the origin O here with the point we just marked. I'm going to use a pencil like this. So next step, we are going to measure. I'm sorry, I'm using 3 different things here. We are going to use a ruler to measure how long this OA is. So now if you measure, it's about 2 centimeters. You have to understand when you rotate a point 90 degrees or any degrees, your OA prime, the final product, should be the same length, having the same length as OA. So now let's start from O and we measure 2 centimeters. So we can measure like this. So it's going to be about here, 2 cm. Now we can mark A prime, and we will erase the rest of the line segment. So please understand your OA after rotation, your OA prime should be the same length as OA. Okay, so now we finish rotating point A 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin O using a protractor. Now, method number 2, way number 2, use a ruler. So if I show you a ruler over here, you notice a ruler, this is like a rectangle. So you have 1, 2, and then 3, 4 at the bottom. You have 4 90-degree angles, right, at 4 different corners. So in method number 2, we are going to try to use the ruler to trace a 90-degree angle. Step 1, we are connecting the point you want to rotate and the center of your rotation. So connect OA first. Step 2, you are going to place your ruler along OA. We are using this 90-degree angle to trace our 90-degree angle on the graphing paper. So I'm going to pick this corner over here. Imagine this is the vertex of your rectangle. Place this vertex on top of O. And then you have to line up the bottom of your ruler here along OA. You got to place the bottom of your ruler on top of OA. So vertex here, and now my bottom of my ruler is perfectly on OA. Next, you are going to move this up a little bit. Now you are going to start tracing. I want to leave some space because otherwise when I draw the line, it's going to be a little bit off. So the vertex is here, line up with OA. Now draw the line along the other side, okay, along the other side. Now what you did is you just perfectly trace this 90-degree angle using one corner of your ruler. Now I move the ruler so I can use this to trace one more time. Okay. Now next, you will do the same thing. So measure OA. That should be about 2 centimeters. So you come to this side, you want another 2 cm for your OA prime. So it's about here. So your A prime should be here. So you will disregard the actual part. So this is our A prime. Way number 2, use a ruler to make a rotation of a point. Now way number 3, we are going to try to find the correct rectangle. You notice point A is here. So step 1, you can do the same. Connect your A with the center of the rotation, the origin. Now next, please observe this line and the rectangle here. You notice that this line OA is a perfect diagonal line in the rectangle. So I need you to imagine if I place this ruler over here, just like a big rectangle, and I'm holding the center of the rotation, and I'm going to make a 90-degree angle, 90-degree rotation like this. One more time. From here, center doesn't move, 90-degree is here. So now this is a smaller rectangle. If you make that rotation around the origin O over here, eventually your rectangle will be down here. You see this is a 1/3 rectangle. When you rotate this 90 degrees counterclockwise about O, it's also a 1/3 rectangle down here. And then you will look for your diagonal line. So the diagonal line is this one. So now you can mark your A prime over here. Okay, so these are 3 different ways for you to pick when you need to when you need to make a 90-degree rotation counterclockwise about the origin of any point.